Hello again everyone, this is just a quick little one. I thought I'd share this little mini brass padlock. All it's got is 400 written on it. I was kindly given this by Jeremy Frater, also known as Hate Red Flip on Discord I believe. So there's no key with it, it's locked at the moment. It's only a one lever little lock. I'm going to pick it open with this little homemade tensioner and stuff. Funny thing with this one is it's not actually, the bolt's not actually right at the back. You have to come forward a bit. If I can find it, there we are. And a little homemade bit of piano wire, so we'll get that in there. Like I say, it's only one lever, so that's it. It just needs a little touch and it's open. So a bit of patina on it. Lovely little lock. Like I say, there's not a lot to it. You can just pick it back, shut again if I can find that bolt. Like I say, it's not right at the back. You have to come forward just a little bit. There we go. So we've got the bolt going the other way. Click the lever as normal. There we go. That's that. There it is. All locked up again. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.